Hey everyone, welcome to this channel. Thinking about deleting your Google accounts from your phone? Whether it's a privacy concern or simply moving on, I'm here to guide you how you can do that. So first of all, open your settings app from your phone. Now for access your account, scroll down and tap on accounts. Now just tap on this account. Now tap on manage accounts. You can see the list of your all Google accounts. Just tap which one you want to delete from your phone. Now you can see there is an option remove account. Tap on this remove account. And that's it. Your Google account has been successfully removed from your device. Remember, this action doesn't delete your account entirely, it just removes it from your device. If you need to delete the account permanently, visit Google's account deletion page. So if you think this video was helpful, please make sure to like this video and subscribe this channel. I will see you in the next video.